Want to spice up your menu a little further? Try these photography tips and tricks for a visually appealing dish photo. Styling or plating is the first step to making your food look as mouth-watering as possible. Start in the middle and work your way around from there to ensure symmetry in the plating of your food. Keep it simple to give customers a realistic idea of what they are getting. Choose the right plates or surfaces that complements well with the food's aesthetic. If you're not sure what good plating looks like, search for inspiration online. Choosing the right background is essential in making sure that your dish stands out. Keep your background clean without any distraction. Use a contrast background color rather than a similar theme. When in doubt, stick with white background. Spice up your dish photos with props. Display appropriate amount of props and garnishes that complement well with the dish, while keeping in mind the main focus should be the dish. Exclude elements that will not be delivered to customers. Avoid using packaging that is not eco-friendly, such as plastic. Choose garnishes or ingredients that have vibrant colors to make your food look richer. Good lighting is key to emphasize the textures and color balance of your food photo. Make use of natural light to photograph your food, positioning your setup next to a window. Lighting from the side of your food is a great way to bring out the shadows and bright spots of certain food textures. You may use a reflective surface to bounce and diffuse light onto your dish. Different angles work for different items. For listing and banner photos, shoot a top view angle so that your customers are able to see the variety of dishes that you have on your menu. For dish photos, 45-degree angle is recommended for dishes like pasta, sushi, and dessert, as this angle simulates the viewer's vision when facing the food. Front view angle is suitable for burgers, sandwiches, and other food with front vertical content, as this angle allows your customers to see all the ingredients of the dish. Top view angle is suitable for salads and pizzas, where the dish aesthetically use more. Experiment with the angles you see in photos of similar products. Those angles might work for you too. Give your photos that final boost. Adjust the sharpness of the image to give the edges more definition. Adjust the brightness and contrast will bring out the diversity of the colors, highlights, and shadows in your photo. Add a bit of saturation to bring out the colors of your photo, making it look more appetizing. Try to minimize the use of photo filters. It might make your food colors look unnatural. Foodpanda also offers professional photography services to bring your food to life. Simply click on the link in the description and we will schedule a photo shoot for you at your convenience.